Hello guys, this is my best friend. His name is Mr. Sigma. No. His name is Mr. What's your name? You tell them.
Alihar.
Alihar. He's the best biker in town. We came here in Sema to look for this sumulok.
Yeah.
So we're going to investigate, like police, going to what you call this, to find this treasure.
Yeah.
Look at him. He's the bad guy. He's Mr. Sigma, Mr. Bad guy.
Today he also say when he want to poo in the same toilet.
We're here now, and we're going somewhere. Where are we going?
Inside your town.
Now we're going to bike around like professional riders. Okay, you wait for us. And you tell me, what is this cafe? You're telling Miss Melanie, huh? What is this cafe?
And that cafe,
Yeah, Cafe 101. Yeah,
301.
301. What is Cafe 301? Is it good?
Yes.
What's in that cafe?
It have two.
Two what?
Two. It is on the two places. Do you know the bridge, yeah?
What bridge? Going to where? It's a bridge.
The Globus.
Going to Globus. Yes, I know.
On the right side, you will see 301.
Right side.
Yeah.
You said two.
The first one, I don't want it because inside there it was a lizard when I was going last time.
Ah, okay. So what's in there?
In that, the only cafe that I know that making two small burgers.
Two small burgers. What's inside those? What's so special about these burgers?
They are too small.
And then
They make too small.
burgers.
Yeah.
Why do they make small burgers? I have big tummy.
Because maybe one you eat there and one at home.
You're going to leave one? You're going to eat
One
there, and then
at
the other
home.
one, Saboy.
At home.
Saboy. What's the flavors?
What?
These burgers, you say.
Yeah. It have also fish burger.
Fish burgers. And the other one?
Classic hamburger.
Classic hamburgers. Is it delicious?
And the cheeseburger.
And cheeseburger. I thought it's only two.
Maybe one.
We have one viewer. You say hi to the viewer. Hi, say hi.
Hi.
Hi, this is my friend Sigma. He looks like Mr. Baguio, Mr. Oyet. Say hi to Mr. Oyet.
And he is Sigma boy. He's Mr. Sigma boy.
You're Mr. Sigma boy. What will you do later? We're going to eat sumulok.
Yeah.
What is sumulok? You know what sumulok is?
Yeah.
What is sumulok? Tell me, tell us. What sumulok is?
Sumulok is
Sumulok is
brown.
brown. What's in that brown?
Tastes good.
What else? It tastes like. What does it taste like?
A taste. I forgot because I.
It tastes.
Yeah, I taste, but I forgot the taste.
Does it taste like peanut butter? This sumulok.
Different.
Not peanut butter. How about honey? Do you put honey there?
No, but it is falling like honey.
Uh-huh. And what do you put there? Do you know what they put in that
It is,
sumulok?
it is, it is a little bit like honey
Ah,
when I'm picking it.
hey, you gonna what's called taste it this way,
Yeah.
like that, like this.
Maybe.
Pinky finger. This is pinky. Pinky finger.
Pinky.
Finger. Use it for this.
Whose hand is bigger? Let's so.
My hand's bigger than yours now.
Oh.
But after 2 years, you're going to be much taller, bigger, like
Now this
dinosaurs.
hand. Oh, I'm almost like you. How about the smallest finger here? It is almost.
Oh, almost. Hi, say hi to Tita Cora. Tita Cora. Hi, say.
Hi.
She's watching us right now.
Cora Castillo is watching.
Yes.
Bring them on camera.
No.
We don't need it.
Say hi. This is Alihar, my student friend here in
We
Kyrgyzstan.
live in the same apartment.
We will live in the same apartment, neighbors. You live where? Number 4, yeah?
Yeah.
And I live in
Well,
flat number 12. She's in flat number 4. And we're here at SEMA National High School. No, International School. There are so many kids here
yeah, and
playing.
it is the biggest SEMA.
Yeah. Is there a small SEMA?
Maybe. But in Bishkek, I also saw SEMA Cambridge.
Is there SEMA Cambridge in Bishkek?
When I should go to my parents' house,
Mm-hmm.
the brother of my mother,
Mhm.
we always going by.
Car.
Yeah, and also over the SEMA.
We went to SEMA. Sapat.
Yeah, Sapat.
Maybe Sapat, not SEMA.
SEMA.
Same SEMA.
Look,
National High School.
Osh
International
SEMA High School.
Osh SEMA. But it's not Osh SEMA, yeah?
Yeah, SEMA.
It's SEMA school in Bishkek.
Now we will have a Cambridge test on
Mhm.
May 12th.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
Cambridge test.
Mm-hmm. Cambridge test.
It is came from British.
You have to speak English
Yeah,
in that test. Yeah?
yeah, and also at the first time when I was grade 2, I got off.
What do you mean 5? What's that? 5
Shoot.
shield. 5 shield.
Yeah,
Okay.
all 5. 100.
It's 100. You
Yeah,
got
all
100.
5 means 100.
That's good.
Maybe
That's
25,
great.
100,
Mhm.
50. Oh, maybe the max is 125.
Yeah, that's good.
There
How
is
did you
also-
get to 100?
I have only
What
one.
questions? Do you still remember those questions you have?
No,
They ask us questions.
but
Did they ask you
there is
questions?
one insect
Where?
that moving.
We called it baboy.
Baboy.
Yes. That little insect.
Why your here is your open? Why it's open?
I don't know. It was made like that. And later, we will have dinner. Norus. Norus? What is Norus? Know what Norus is?
Norus.
Naurus. How do you say it?
Norus.
Norus. What is Norus? You don't know what Norus is?
No, it is a party.
Party.
Yeah, like Ramadan. But
What?
it is different.
Mm.
But it is not ours.
What do you mean it's not yours?
But real Muslims called it that is not
Ah,
a party.
okay.
And also Jingle Bells too.
It's cultural party for Kyrgyz, yes?
Now for
Hmm?
Asia.
Asia. West Asia. Is it West? Central Asia.
Yeah.
Central Asia. We're here in Central Asia.
Who is also watching?
JC, that's Miss Juvie. Miss Juvie. You say hi to Miss Juvie.
Hi.
Student ko, Jubes. Kamukha ni Sir Baguio.
Cora Castillo is watching.
Yes,
Jakey.
tita.
Hi mom, student mom.
She's asking if you're my student. You're one of our student. Kapitbahay ko to, Jubes. Dito kami ngayon sa school dahil mayroong celebration ng spring festival celebration. Kakain kami ng traditional food nila, yung tinatawag na sumolok from Central Asia. Dati tinuturo lang natin ako tinuturo ko dati to Asian countries, yung mga tawag dito foods, di ba? Foods, what else? Musical instruments and ano pa ba yun? What else?
Our international
Yes, international dance.
instrument is komus.
Kumus, yeah. The international instrument is kumus. Say hi to Mr. Andre, he's your teacher, yeah?
Andre
Mr. Andre,
Tamayo is
yeah,
watching.
he's watching right now. Say hi.
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 I know. He is a teacher of grade 4 Mars.
Yes. Is that your teacher now? Not yet.
No,
Maybe
still.
when you turn grade 4.
Maybe.
You say hi to Miss Chi. Miss Chi. Say hi. She's your homeroom advisor. Homeroom teacher. Miss Chi. Do you still remember this face?
Hi.
Oy, magaling magbasa. Yes, okay, super lamig pa rin. Yes. Kanina paglabas ko nasa 10 or 9 degrees. Siguro kahapon nasa 20 degrees yesterday.
Who is Jackie?
JC.
Who is
Juvie. Miss Juvie. Nasa 10 to 9 degrees ngayon. Gano'n naman dito. Dyan, sobrang init or
but
umuulan-ulan.
not snowy.
Not snowy. That's the best thing. It's not snowy. Kung dito,
If it was snowy, today we have snow wars. A snowman building.
magaling siyang
Also
magbasa.
snow angel. And
Snow angels.
yeah.
Oh, we'll make snow angels when it snows. again.
December.
Did you made snow angel last
No.
December?
Yeah. We and my class made an igloo but without roof,
Mhm.
and someone broke it.
How large it is? It's big. Igloo. Or small only. Where did you put it?
Igloo?
Where did you put that igloo? There?
No, there.
Mm.
That side.
Yeah, so Mr. Andre, look. Mr. Andre is looking at you.
Yeah, I know. Cora Castillo, JC,
Mr.
Andre
Andre.
Tamayo.
Some people will also watch this video. Like my former students, they were going to watch your video.
It is in internet.
Yes, it's in Facebook. We can go biking. Or you can we go there to the Sumolok? Let's see. Let's investigate. Let's go. Punta tayo dun sa Sumolok. Kung paano ginagawa. Let's go. papakita natin kung
Ate,
ano
what
nga
is
ba yung
all?
tinatawag namin sumulok. Hindi ko alam, baka paghaluin ako dito, no? You're going to take video of me, okay? While we're doing the sumulok.
But where are teachers?
Don't worry. Other teachers are here. Okay? But we'll take a picture, video. Like that, like that. Ah. Look. There's... Yo. Hi, sir. I'm good. Wow. See, I can.
Call your collect also.
This child.
Your child?
No. He's my neighbor.
Hold on.
Come. Ayan, no. Sumulok. Ikaw mag-video sa akin. You're going to take a video while I'm steering it, okay? Look. That's sumulok.
Burası düşse gene geldi.
Yeah.
Burası düşse ne olur mu?
Punta tayo dito. Let's go.
Yeah.
Kita niyo yung sumulok. Okay?
Some look.
We'll ask something here later. Okay? Because I need this wood for my lettuce plant. Okay?
Why?
Go inside.
Your lettuce plant is cooled down.
I have lettuce plant inside my house. So I'm going to hang it. I need something to...
Because it is falling.
No?
It is bending.
Yes.
Oh.
So it's growing a lot. Okay.
It is falling, yeah?
Yeah.
It is like
That. Okay, let's go here.
so I want to
You're gonna be with me. Okay? Yeah. I'm good. Manas is here also. Aren't you playing here every day?
there are only
Ay, they're playing basketball. Look. Let's go there. You know how to play basketball? I'll teach you how to play. I'll teach you how to play basketball. At home, you have this court. You have this ring. Yes. And you're going to teach me how to play this football. Okay? You know how to play football, yeah?
Yeah.
You're playing volleyball. Yeah. Maybe we can do this bike later. Okay.
So right after making, I'll back home.
Mm-hmm. Do you want to go back home now? Not yet. My sister is watching us. Look.
Who is sister?
Say hi to ate. Ate, you say ate.
What?
Hi, ate. Ate means sister.
Ah.
Yes. Ito kami, ang daming sports dito. Oh. Look. May basketball. May soccer. May table tennis. Okay. Dati may chess pa dito. Hi to my ate. Hi,
Hi.
ate.
Hi, ate.
Ate means sister. This
Yeah.
is my older sister. Oldest sister.
I'm waiting.
Hmm?
I'm waiting.